Hi everyone, today I have the first video in our Jumpstart series. I'll be going over selecting a template when first signing up with website.com. I'm going to be choosing a template from which I'll build my site on. So we'll start here on website.com. From here we can choose sign up in the top right corner, and we'll be taken through the sign up process. After we sign up, we'll need to select a template to use. We have a vast selection of beautiful templates for you to use. These templates can be further customized by you to make your website your own. As you can see here on the Select a Website Template screen, we have our popular website templates, or also some sorting options to sort by the latest, popular, or blank templates, or also various categories of different templates as well. So I'm going to be looking one for the patisserie theme. So I can either search up here patisserie, or I can go through restaurants and hospitality. So I'm going to search it. And you can see I found the theme right here. So then I can simply just select that theme, or I can view the template as well. These templates are designed by our talented website.com web designers, and we have templates for all categories of websites. Once you've selected a template, you're free to customize it how you see fit. If, for whatever reason, you wish to change your template, you can choose Reset Template from the top bar of the editor. So we can go up here to Site and choose Reset Template. Keep in mind, this will erase all your existing content from your site. Templates are the perfect starting point from which you can build your own websites. Stay tuned to website.com for the next video. Thanks for watching.